Hi guys, today we're doing another little car wash, and today we are doing the yellow digger. So let's get clean. Of course, first we need to get rid of a few of them with a quick little spray. Black part. Now we are in here. We need to get rid of all the paint splodges. Yippee, paint splodges. So a bit of washing and a bit of washing, a bit of swashing, a bit of washing, a bit of toshing. Okay, a bit of powder will get rid of these horrible dirty wheels. Just horrible. Now for a bit of soapy, because everyone needs a bit of soap. And now, just for an easy little dot of cleaning again through this little machine cleaner. And then that's nice and clean, just a bit of polishing. And I say, the end of the car is dirty. Let's clean it. Yay. Woo. Steam flush. Almost time. Helicopter alert. Okay, now we're on a bit of firing. And voila! Now for just a bit of washing. That is the end of this video. Bye guys! Yeah! Awesome! Yeah! Awesome!